So let's get the gliders real quick. This is a new building which they came out with. It's opposite to the, it's next to the guns and the donut shop. What is going on, guys? BattleBlocks here and welcome back to another Roblox video, guys. There are millions of cops around me and there are 79,000 people playing Jailbreak because this is out. The surprise Jailbreak update is out, guys. And in this update they've added the new gliders. The gliders are something related to the parachute and it can be used mid-air. And there are so many good things in this update we're going to be discussing in this video, guys. It's going to be amazing. So the first thing we're going to be discussing is that all the helicopters have the rope. So Singsorat is going to be helping me out. Let him launch the rope on this helicopter and I'm going to be showing it to you. I'm going to be proving it. Okay, so we're going to get on the rope real quick. And sorry guys for being naked. I don't know why I'm naked. Is it because of a glitch or I really don't know. I'm supposed to be wearing the marshmallow clothes. So guys, this guy has just launched the rope and I'm literally flying. And as you can see, it's G to launch the rope now in all helicopters and anyone can use it. Before it was only on the Blackhawk. So let's get the gliders real quick. This is a new building which they came out with. It's opposite to the, it's next to the guns and the donut shop. And it's just free to get the gliders. You don't have to pay Robux, but it can only be used once. After using it once, you have to go back to this building and equip it again. Okay, Singsorat is gonna show us how the glider works out. Let's see. Okay, he has held. Whoa, that is cool, guys. Even we're gonna be using it now. In 3, 2, 1, boom. That
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
is amazing, guys. Okay, so can someone, we can't actually use it when we're in high mid-air because then the parachute would launch and it would make the helicopter glitchy. So let's anyways try it out. Let's go high. So we need to make sure that, wait, I forgot to get the gliders again. As I told you guys, it can only be used once and again you have to go and equip it again like I showed you right now. And now we're gonna be going to the helicopter and trying it from high air. Let's see whether it works out or not. We have to space twice so that the parachute cannot work and then we're gonna use the glider. Okay, he's high. Okay, it better not glitch. Okay, let's do this. Let's see Singsorat. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay, we got the parachute to save us this time. And we're gonna
oh shit.
this. Then left click and boom. That didn't work out. When you're high in mid-air, guys, you cannot use the glider. It's really tough to use the glider when you're high in mid-air because then the parachute would interfere with its use and then you would just fall. The best thing you can do is do this, jump and then use the glider. It's literally amazing. Hopefully Asimo and Batseezy finds a way to fix this out, else it would be a disaster. The gliders, they would all be misusing the gliders. And Batseezy and Asimo really needs to look after these hackers, guys. In every server there's 1 or 2 hackers they need to look after. So we need to fix that. We're gonna go with Singsorat with the helicopter, or do we take the Volt? I think we take the helicopter. The next thing I'm gonna be showing you is amazing, guys. In the donut shop you get the donut. The best part about this is that it can heal and stuff. He's just gonna punch me and we're gonna test it out. Okay, he's gonna punch me until I'm half health. Okay, stop. Okay, now I'm gonna be testing it out, guys. We're gonna just hold the donut out here. It's healing. Oh my god, did you see that? It can only be used once now, and the thing is it can heal completely, but it can only be used once. It's not unlimited use. And again you have to go to the donut shop and get it. It works kinda like a health pack, which is there in
No,
other games,
God,
which
please,
is
no,
amazing, guys.
no,
Don't tell me he's
no,
gonna drop me.
no.
If he is, no. Oh my god. Such a traitor. Such a traitor, guys. Guys, we're gonna be testing the gliders once again because the last time we tried it out didn't work out properly. We're gonna be trying it once again. We're gonna do this real quick. We're gonna go. Let's try going up the 1 mil dealership and then it might work out. Okay, let's just run to the 1 mil dealership and go up here real quick. And let's jump and use the gliders. It's amazing, guys. Wow, it's working really well. Look at Sing Sorat go. Woo! And the best part is the heli that it has rope now. All the helis have rope. You don't need to buy the Black Hawk. But the good thing about the Black Hawk now is that it has the army missiles which can be shot. I unfortunately don't have the Black Hawk. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm gonna be getting it soon and I'm gonna be showing it to you how it works. Thanks a lot for watching my video, guys. If you like, please subscribe for more videos daily or weekly. Thank you, guys.